Hi there. I want to show you how to do an attached I-cord edging. The first step I'm going to show you is how to get 3 provisionally cast on stitches onto your left hand needle with your right side facing. If you're just wanting to watch this to learn how to do the attached I-cord, just skip forward a few seconds. So the first thing is I've got a single crochet chain here, and I'm going in and picking up along the backside bump right there and wrapping the yarn around and pulling it through, and this is with my right hand needle, and then I'm putting that onto my left hand needle. And then I'm going into the next bump and doing the same thing, making sure that I'm working with my working yarn and not my tail. Right, that's a pretty classic move. And then one more. If you need a little more help learning how to work this provisional cast on, I do have a whole separate video on it. I just wanted to make sure I showed you this step. So there we are, all ready to work the attached I-cord edging, okay? This is so easy. We're going to knit 2, slip 1 knitwise, knit 1 live stitch from the edge, and then pass that slip stitch over, and then you just tighten up right there. And there you go. And then the next thing you do is take all your stitches from your right hand needle and put them back onto your left hand needle, okay? So knit 2, slip 1, knitwise, knit 1, pass your slip stitch over, and then bring those stitches back to the left hand needle again. So that's what you do over and over, working across the whole top of what you're working on, or the whole edge, because who knows what you could be doing this on. One thing is, if you run into a spot where you feel like there's a little gap, there's a great way to fix that. So let's say we've got a knit 2 and then a slip 1, and let's say I'm like, oh, that's a little gappy spot right there, like maybe in between your trapezoids on trapeze. So you can go ahead and pick up the bar in between the stitches through the back loop and then knit that so that you tighten it up a bit, and then pass your slip stitch over, and that will tidy things up there just enough to make it not so awkward. You'll see that there's a spot on trapeze where the things come together that it could use a little bit of tightening, and you might choose to pick 1 or 2 stitches up in that spot. So that is how you do that. And there you have it, attached I-cord, which is I-cord that is worked perpendicularly to the body of what you are making.